Nandito po tayo sa airport. Nandito po tayo sa labas. Dito po tayo ng taxi. Yan. Nandito po tayo sa labas sa airport. Yan. Kuha na po ako ng taxi dito. Datal po ako. Ano ba? By meter lang. So guys, nagtanong-tanong ako dito kung saan ako kukuha ng taxi. Kahit kalagi naman akong pumunta-punta dito, pero mas maigi na yung hindi tayo maloko. So nagtanong ako sa police. So naka-pwesto dito sa airport. Nagtanong ako kung saan ako magkukuha ng regular taxi, guys. So sabi niya, doon daw sa Bay 23. Yan, ang regular taxi dito. So, yan, hindi tayo kasi magpaloko di ba? So guys, I'm going to outside to take a taxi to go to where I stay. So, parang malayo-layo pa ako sa North Edsa kasi guys. So, magsistay ako doon ng 2 nights. And then, go straight to my brother to stay there while I'm waiting for my papers. Papers to process it. So, ayan. So, guys, okay, let's go. And, so, nasa Bay 11 tayo. Sabi ng, sabi ni Sir. Yun siya, guys, nga sa Bay 23 tayo kukuha ng taxi. That's the regular taxi. So, I need to go to Bay 23. So, for now, it's Bay 13. So, okay. So, we're gonna go there. Like, Bay 23, guys. Okay, guys. So, as we go out here na, and then I need to take a taxi na. So, okay, let's go. Very wide airport here in Manila, guys. So I'll show you guys how's the very big airport here in Manila. So guys, I need na to go there. Yeah, so that's Bay 60. So, malapit ako tayo, guys, sa Bay 23. Okay. So, guys, nanatadili sa Bay 21. So, as what they said, as what the sir said, that is, we're gonna take a taxi there at Bay 23. Yeah. So, they have a Citog Best Coffee. I remember when I was in Bohol, guys, because they have Citog Best Coffee there, and I like their coffee, so I remember now. So I think if I go there, they drink coffee first before I take a taxi, because I'm an addict of coffee, guys. So yeah, so this is the airport in Mactan. No, sorry. So this is the airport in Manila. So very big and wide. So huge, guys.